Assalamu alaikum. As you know that this is our phonic reader and we read 3-letter words in this book to enhance our reading skills. So let's start reading. A hot pot, a hot pot. A dog on a log, a dog on a log. A rod in the is a sight word, so we will read it as it is. Cot, a rod in the cot. A rod on a log, a rod on a log. It is a cot. It is a cot. It is my is a sight word, so we will read it as it is. Pot. It is my pot. It is a hot pot. It is a hot pot. My pot is hot. My pot is hot. Okay students, now your assignment is this, that you have to read it once again to improve your reading skills.